Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, I've got 6 Bolo items coming your way. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. This is a 7-part series, and I feel like a broken record right now because this is video 7 where I have explained how this is going to work. And I'm like, I feel like I've said this a lot. But anyway, I'm Courtney, also known as Bolo Buddies. This is my second channel. My main channel is Bolo Buddies. So if you're not subscribed, definitely go over there. But on my main channel, I have featured members, which are Bolo Buddies memberships. So if you join memberships, you get to be in a featured members video and I shout out your YouTube channel or your eBay store. But this is just a bonus video. I try to do a bonus video just to show appreciation. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep that up, but for now, I'm really enjoying it. This is something that I'm not sure if it's going to be like a hit or a miss. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 5 featured members really quick. You can get more information down in the description on them with links to their eBay stores and their channels if they have them. And then I'm going to show you 6 items. Your job is to guess which item was sold by the Goodwill on eBay. So if you don't know, the Goodwill on eBay, there's tons of Goodwills and they have eBay stores, which I didn't know that a long time ago. I mean, I know it now. I've actually featured some of the stores on my YouTube channel and I show you some of their Bolo solds, which are fun videos. So go check those out. Um, so I'm going to show you the 6 items. You guys figure out which item was sold by the Goodwill. Take a guess down in the comments. It's just for fun. It's not a competition or anything like that. It's just an interactive way to, I don't know, guess, I guess, get you guys involved in the video. So, then we're going to come back. We're going to have a little intermission for you guys to put your guess in. And we're going to come back and I'm going to tell you all 6 items, where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Obviously, the Goodwill item was donated, so that's a given. But I'll tell you the featured members information. That's the base, like how my main channel works. I'm always telling you guys where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. So let's dig in. Let's get started. All right, here. The first item up, nope, the first member is Jack's Treasures, and they do a lot of storage auctions. So, where they buy storage units. So check them out. We've got Mutton Ridge Finds, who has an awesome eBay store. She does not have a YouTube channel. She's linked down below. Anytime Picker, who also has a YouTube channel, and he's got lots of content over there, so you can go and check him out. Reseller content. These are all reseller content, you guys. And then we've got Queen of Hearts Charnel. She does not have an eBay store, but I do have it linked so that you can look at her other items. She has 283 items available. And the Rebel, the Rebel reseller, and she specializes in plush, but is very well rounded. So check her out down there in the description. All right, you guys. So let's look at these 6 items. Now, keep in mind, you're trying to guess which item was sold on eBay by a Goodwill store. Okay. So the first item is this whistling plush monkey. You guys, it's from 1997. It's a vintage plush. And this, a best offer was taken. So, and a screw is missing on the battery cover. So it even has some issues. The next item is this bat. It's a special edition Copperstown. Is it Cop? No, Coopers. Coopers. I'm trying to think how to spell copper now. Oh my goodness. Baseball bat. It's almost midnight. Sorry, guys. This sold for $49.99 plus shipping. The next item is this Sesame Street Talking Ernie, and it sold for $35 plus shipping. Look how cute he is. So another plush here, you guys. So, so cute. The next item are these stamps. These are vintage rubber stamps. And just a little shout out to my other channel. I do have a video that tells you the top 3 selling rubber mounted wood rubber mounted stamps that sell on eBay. So I have a whole video, category video dedicated to that. Go check it out. Some of them are pretty shocking. They can go for over $100, you guys. This lot sold for $55 plus shipping. The next item is this Fenton Red Carnival Glass Unicorn. This sold for $102.50 plus shipping. This is a lot of dragon dice. So it's got the dice, the reference books, and the pouches. sold for $79.99. Okay, you guys, that's your 6 items. Which item do you think was sold by the Goodwill on eBay? Let me know down in the comments. We're going to take a brief intermission now. I'm going to show you my trailer, and then we are going to come back and I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. Full-time reseller. $600 for a My Little Pony. Amazing, right? All right, let's get started. All right, you guys, we're back. So the first item was this whistling monkey. This was sold by the Rebel reseller, and she got this for $2. She thinks, she wasn't 100% sure, and took a best offer, she thinks, of $99 plus shipping. So anything animated, I think this one's animated. Maybe it's not. But definitely pick up things that are animated. Let's see. Yeah, battery compartment. That's right. That's why I thought that. But I don't know what it does. So what I like to do is I like to add a video to my description. It doesn't look like she does that, but that'll show people how the item works and that it works. And I typically I put those items over on my reseller testing Bolo products, and then I attach them to my eBay listing in the description. I do have a video on my main Bolo Buddies channel that teaches you how to add a video to your description. So you can check that out. All right, you guys, this is a Colorado Rockies bat. And this was sold by Anytime Picker. He got this at the Goodwill for $6.19. And he sold it for a best offer. Or nope, I'm sorry. He sold it for $49.99 plus shipping. The next item is this Sesame Street Talking Ernie. Again, an animated talking. It does something. It has a function. This was sold by Queen of Hearts Charnel. She got this at a thrift store for $1 and sold it for $35 plus shipping. These rubber stamps. These were sold by Mutton Ridge Finds, and she sold these for $45. Got them at a thrift store. She got 40 pounds of stamps for $20. So these sold for $45 plus shipping. She did take a best offer. This item is your Goodwill item. Did you get it right? This is a Fenton glass unicorn. So obviously they were given this item to sell for charity, and so they got it free. This lot of dice and pouches and reference books. You guys, if you don't know, these dice, some of them are vintage, some of them are rare and hard to find. They can go for crazy money. This lot was found in a storage unit, and they sold it for $79.99 plus shipping. All right, you guys, let me know in the comments. This is video 7, so go back and check out 1 through 6 to see some more Bolo items and have a little fun guessing which item was sold by the Goodwill on eBay. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Again, feedback's welcome in the comments. Be nice. If you didn't like it, just say, probably shouldn't do this one again. Thank you, guys. Put an emoji of an owl down in the comments if you made it this far. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.